From time to time, there's a need to request graphics or web design. I want to show you how you can go about making those requests to our communications team. The best way to ensure that a workflow is started in relation to your creative request is to get onto our trellis. So I'll take you there right now. Here on Trellis, you can see at the top toolbar we have several options, one being that communications team request. So let's go ahead and select that now. The communications team uses some tools that help with project management. One of them is called Asana, and it automatically is fed information from event requests, or rather communication requests like this. We want to make sure that we get our information into their workflow so that they can continue to do as we love for them to do, making all these requests known. Read through the information in the request form. You can see there are timelines indicated for various types of projects that may require certain things. But let's go ahead and just fill one out and see if we can get the results we're looking for. So we're going to go ahead and give my name in here, email address, choose your ministry, and I'm going to say other because I'm production. Account ministry number. Honestly, I have no idea what this is. I always put 8535937. I don't know. You choose a number. I'm sure it makes sense to somebody. It's a required field, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in there. Project name. We're just going to call this production training video. The details. Details of this are things like I'm starting a YouTube. If I can type, channel, and I need some B-roll footage or photos of my team. Cool. I can upload information that I might already have. For example, I have like a logo for my ministry, and I might want them to include that in some of the materials. Might have an outline or a template that I'd like somebody to follow, or an example. So I can throw those files in here. The preferred completion date is something where you actually put a specific date on. Knowing that they are crunched in time, I'm going to go and put something way out here, July 20th, just a random date in the future, and then hit submit. Once I submit that form, one of the team members within our communications team is going to receive that request, and they'll be able to review and go ahead and start a workflow to accomplish whatever the need might be. I actually used this specific request just a few weeks ago to make a request for some B-roll and photos. I never received any communication back necessarily, aside from just an email that says the form was submitted, although a few weeks later, just as I had requested based off of the timeline that was in the request, I actually got an email or a text that had all the photos and videos that I had requested. It just happened. The beauty of tools like this is it gets the wheels in motion that are necessary. Now, if I was certainly concerned about this or wanted follow-up, I could just go to that team and request a follow-up. No big deal, and I would certainly recommend you do so. But just knowing that you've followed the proper procedure, you can rest assured that the wheels of progress are in motion, and your request will be dealt with in the proper timing and priority. So that's how you make a communications request. Certainly check back on my YouTube channel for other training videos. I'm hoping to help streamline a few of these processes and make them more clear. If you have questions or comments, put them in the comments field. If you're outside of our organization and this doesn't specifically apply to you, I apologize. This is family conversation, but thanks for checking it out, and just know that these types of tools could be created for your organization as well. All right, thanks. Have a good one.